Everyone, in this new video I will guide you how to stretch the video in Filmora. First, import the video to the timeline by clicking this plus icon and the video is placed on the timeline. And after that, click on the video and here you will see that few dots at the edge of the video. Now here place the mouse and drag it to the inside. You will see that the video is stretching and make it short as per your need. You can drag it and place anywhere on the canvas. If you want to stretch it more, then drag it towards and adjust to the place where you want to be. Moreover, if you want to resize it, then again and you can scale it on the screen anywhere. So in this way you can stretch the video in Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.